Today we're exploring the GUTINNEEN Tortoise Habitat, a versatile and secure enclosure perfect for tortoises, lizards, and other small animals. This habitat features a safe, plastic closed bottom that's easy to clean and prevents escapes while keeping predators at bay. All crafted from 100% solid wood to ensure no harm comes to your pets. The detachable and telescopic lamp holder is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, providing the perfect lighting setup for your reptiles. With its unique combination feature, you can easily merge two sets by removing the side panel, and the pre-drilled holes make assembly a breeze. The acrylic viewing design allows you to observe your pets effortlessly, while the high-quality metal mesh top ensures excellent air circulation and light penetration. Two large opening doors in the hide and activity areas make cleaning and pet handling straightforward, and with dimensions of 39.4 inches long by 24 inches deep and 12.4 inches high, this spacious habitat offers ample room for your pets to thrive. Please note, the package includes one wooden hutch, and additional decorations are not provided. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.